Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Let's do another really sweet project. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And a big thank you to everyone who has bought me a cup of coffee, is a member of my monthly members group, or is supporting my channel in any positive way. Thank you so very much. So if you've been watching any of my videos from this week, you'll know that I've been making little items that we can give to cheer someone up in case they're not feeling well or they just need to pick me up. And today we're going to make something that several of you requested. We are going to make a box specifically for holding some chocolates. So I know that I put some chocolates in with the lip balm, but some of you said you might put other things in that box instead of a sweet treat, but you wanted a box just for the sweet treats. And that's exactly what we're going to be making today. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, here's a closer look at this sweet treat box that is going to be a complement to this, and this. So if you are putting together any type of a feel-good box or basket for somebody who might be under the weather or might need a pick-me-up, then this is going to be an additional thing to bring a smile. Remember, in this box I added some chocolates, but several of you had wonderful ideas on other things that you could put in here. So if you didn't want to put chocolate in this, but you wanted to put some extra tubes of the lip balm, which several of you suggested, then this is a good way to do that. And you can then add this as a little sweet treat pick-me-up. Super easy to make. I am going to show you how to make this right now. And I'm also working on some special packaging for all of these, just in case you do want to give these as a gift. So here's what we're going to need to make this. For this project, I have a piece of 5x6 cardstock. And I will be putting 4 Hershey's Nuggets in my box. So easy to make, y'all. You're going to love it. So we're going to take our piece of 5x6. So on the 5-inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 1/4, 2 3/4, and 3 1/2. And then we'll rotate it to the 6-inch side, score at 3/4 inch, at 4 1/2, and at 5 1/4. And now we're simply going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And like I said, I am working on a holder for all of these little treats that we have been making so that you can present them in a very beautiful way. All right, so now that we have everything folded and burnished, you're going to have this narrow tab on one end and a wider panel on the other end. This is your glue panel. So you're going to have a corner piece here that we need to remove, and then you'll have 2 pieces here that we will need to remove. So I am just going to go in and remove those. And now your piece is going to look like this. So at the bottom, you're going to have 1 set of tabs. At the top, you'll have 2 sets of tabs. So along the bottom, we are simply going to do slight angles wherever we have a tab. And now it's going to look like this. We'll rotate it to this end. This time we need to go up to the 2nd score mark, and we're going to drag straight down, drag straight down, and drag straight down. Then we're going to take these two and just tuck them under for a minute because we need to reduce these two in size. And then we're going to angle slightly. And so this is what your project piece looks like right now. So here is your glue flap. We need to take this flap right here, this double flap, and we're going to tuck it under to the inside. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to angle in on it just a little bit so that it will not be hitting my score marks. You can remove this all together if you want. I have found that by tucking it in, it just gives me a nicer finish to the opening of the box. So we'll fold that in. Now we're going to take our glue and go ahead and place your glue on your glue tab. And now we can just fold this over. We're going to line up the score marks, making sure that we have everything nice and even. And now we have a nice flat fold box. So I am not cutting an acetate opening in my box. I am using a completely closed box for this project. So what I did was I rounded my ends so that they would tuck in a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and do a tuck in of this top piece because it will help me to make sure that my box is nice and squared when I add my glue. So I'm just adding glue to the tabs. I'll fold that over. And then I'll add some glue here. We'll fold this over. Get it nice and stuck. And that's how simple it is to make that box. And this box is custom designed to hold 4 of the Hershey's chocolate. Now, if you want, you could actually wrap the chocolates in paper. But since I'm putting them inside of a closed box, there really isn't any need to do that unless you want to. So we're going to be able to get 4 of our Hershey's inside, and you can see what a wonderful fit we have. We fold that over. We're going to tuck that in, and now we have a really smart looking box to hold our chocolates. Decorating this is going to be so easy. So I am just going to take a piece of crinkled ribbon, and it's actually about 6 inches when it's stretched out. Then I'm going to take a glue dot and place the glue dot on the back, and then I'll take my ribbon and just place it down on that glue dot, bring it around, and then just tie myself a little knot. You can actually add longer crinkled ribbon if you want. I think I like the short look on this because we have so many little pieces that are going to go in this particular package. So y'all, that is how easy it is to take chocolates and create your own custom packaging for it. These will hold 4 of the Hershey's Nuggets, and I have brought in the first one so that you guys can see both of these. I am going to go ahead and just bring in everything that we have been making in this little series because it's absolutely gorgeous, and you can see what a well-coordinated set you'll have if you decide to put something together for someone who might not be feeling well. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this beautiful Sweet Treats project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.